4 Bitcoin mixers for the privacy-conscious. In an era of unprecedented global surveillance, it is unreasonable to expect the blockchain world to be any different. It is perfectly reasonable, though, to resist this surveillance through countermeasures that thwart the would-be surveillors. Digital privacy is a right that everyone is entitled to. Thanks to the provision of Bitcoin mixers, you can claim that entitlement by shuffling your coins and emerging with untainted crypto whose origins have been obfuscated. Before you mix, know the basics. Just as using Tor doesn't give you internet anonymity, Bitcoin mixing alone doesn't grant you automatic privacy. It helps, but only when used in conjunction with other privacy-enhancing techniques, like not using exchanges that enforce KYC, and not recombining your freshly mixed UTXOs, thereby undoing all your hard work. News.bitcoin.com will examine ways to enhance your anonymity when using mixing services in the near future. For now, just know that the following mixing services are not a silver bullet for privacy. When used as their developers recommend, however, they can significantly enhance the fungibility of your coins. Bitcoin Mixer does exactly what its name sounds like, but it also does a lot more. In addition to mixing up your BTC, the service can do the same with LTC and ETH, providing privacy for 3 of the most popular cryptos. It's a custodial service, which generally means you can mix larger amounts of coins than with a non-custodial service, where you're reliant on your peers to provide privacy in numbers. Using the service is simple. Enter the address you'd like your shuffled coins to be sent to, and drag the slider to select your desired mixing time, ranging from 30 minutes to 20 hours. The longer you're prepared to wait, the greater the degree of anonymity you can expect. The platform charges a fee of 2 to 5%. Cash Shuffle 1 for the BCH Brigade. Cash Shuffle provides non-custodial mixing of Bitcoin Cash. It's fully decentralized, and operates by mixing the UTXOs in your BCH wallet with those of other Cash Shuffle users. Over $40 million of BCH has been mixed through Cash Shuffle, which is compatible with wallets such as Electron Cash. If you're new to the world of Bitcoin Cash mixing, news.bitcoin.com has published a detailed guide to using the service. There's also plans for a Tor-integrated version of the service, known as CashFusion, which will further diminish the ability for blockchain forensics firms to profile BCH users. Whirlpool. Most non-custodial BTC and BCH mixers are based on implementations of CoinJoin, a trustless method for combining Bitcoin payments from multiple users into a single transaction, masking their origin. Cash Shuffle is based on CoinJoin, and so are the 2 most popular wallet-integrated BTC mixers, Whirlpool and Wasabi. The former is developed by Samurai Wallet, and enables users of the non-custodial wallet to mix their UTXOs with others through selecting from one of 3 pools of varying sizes, 0.01, 0.05, and 0.5 BTC. If you have 1 BTC to mix, for example, select the 0.5 BTC pool and your UXTOs will be sent through in 2 cycles, until all of your coins have been cleaned. The Whirlpool fee remains the same whether you're mixing 1 coin or 10, making Samurai's Whirlpool CoinJoin implementation cost-effective. It's also fast. Wasabi Wallet. Samurai and Wasabi are engaged in a dispute over whose mixing service provides greater anonymity. Samurai appears to have the upper hand at present, but that doesn't mean you should write off Wasabi. It's an excellent non-custodial BTC wallet for the privacy-conscious, and its integrated Showmean CoinJoin mixing service is continually improving. The PlushToken scammers famously tried to wash thousands of BTC through Wasabi and failed due to the size of their transactions, which dwarf those of all other users combined. For regular users seeking to mix modest amounts of BTC, greater anonymity and less scrutiny should be assured, making Wasabi perfect for everyday use. Whether you're planning to use a custodial or non-custodial Bitcoin mixer, do your homework, read some reviews, and familiarize yourself with its workings. Then, after successfully mixing your first set of UTXOs, make it a point of habitually repeating the exercise with new coins that come into your possession. Think of it as cleaning your digital house. In the process, you'll also be enhancing the anonymity of your fellow coin joiners. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.